What's up, everybody? I'm about to break open a 2008 Topps Triple Thread Hobby Box. I'm going to be guaranteed one autographed triple relic and one low number triple relic. So here we go. Two mini packs, each big hit, one will be in each one. And I'll go with the top one first. Here we go. We have a Bob Gibson on the back. Okay, we have Thurman Munson, numbered 1228 out of 1350. Mark Buehrle, numbered 570 out of 1350. Jimmy Fox, numbered 875 out of 1350. Going to the back, Bob Gibson, 109 out of 240. And Jared Weaver, numbered 327 out of 525. Now for the hit. Numbered 34 out of 50 from the Nationals. We have an auto triple piece, Lastings Millage. Not too shabby. Okay, now for the second pack. Here's to a big one. No booklet, unfortunately. Got one in my last box. Okay, we have Aaron Harang, numbered 310 out of 1350. Hiroki Kuroda, numbered 773 out of 1350, rookie card. Lance Berkman, numbered 69 out of 1350. Going from the back, Trevor Hoffman, numbered 98 out of 99. Dontrelle Willis, numbered 317 out of 525. And now for the second big hit. Numbered 35 out of 36. David Wright, triple piece, one jersey with a pinstripe and two bats. Nice. Okay, so once again, my two big hits. We have David Wright, 35 out of 36, one jersey, two bat. And Lastings Millage, numbered 34 out of 50. Triple piece autograph. Alrighty, that's it.